In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and navigate Calendly alongside login.microsoftonline.com for a streamlined scheduling experience. Calendly is an invaluable tool for managing appointments and ensuring your calendar is always up to date. Whether you're setting up meetings or coordinating schedules, Calendly simplifies the process. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Calendly website. It's as simple as typing in calendly.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage of this powerful scheduling tool. Now, if you're not already logged into your account, you'll need to do that. Click on the Login button and enter your email address. This will take you a step closer to managing your meetings with ease. Next, you'll be prompted by login.microsoftonline.com to authenticate your account. Here you'll need to input your email address associated with your Microsoft account, followed by your password. This step is crucial as it links your Microsoft calendar with Calendly, ensuring that all your appointments resonate across platforms and any conflicts are instantly detected. Once logged in, you'll be taken back to your Calendly homepage. Here, you can quickly view scheduled appointments and manage your time effectively. At the top, you'll see an overview of your upcoming meetings. A wonderful feature of Calendly is its intuitive interface, which allows you to customize and arrange meetings without much hassle. For a more detailed view, click on the Meetings tab located in the navigation bar. This will present you with a comprehensive list of all your meetings. Here, you can check the time, date, and other pertinent details about each appointment. This tab ensures you never miss a meeting and that you're always prepared ahead of time. If you wish to delve deeper into the specifics of any scheduled event, simply navigate to the Scheduled Events section. Here, you'll find individual meeting details that can be pivotal in planning and organizing your daily activities. Click on Details, which often provides insights into participants, locations, or any special instructions pertaining to that meeting. This is particularly useful if you're juggling multiple appointments or need to make notes ahead of a meeting. And just like that, you're all set. By following these steps, you've not only integrated Calendly with login.microsoftonline.com, but also ensured that your scheduling system is both efficient and effective. This setup will help you manage your time better and minimize potential scheduling conflicts, leaving you with more time to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.